What's up guys, Eric coming at you out of the blue. I'm going to be showing you today how to take butterflies, or also the wings, or basically the pectoral fins off a walleye. There's all kind of different names for that, as well as the cheeks. So for the purpose of this video, I have removed the skeleton of the body. We have just the head. Typically what I do, or most people would do, is you would leave it intact, but just for the purpose of this video I have removed it just to kind of clean it up a little bit. So basically what you're left with is, if you did have the full body here, you have this little bit of meat just on the other side. There's a bit of a plate here, and these are the pectoral fins. So essentially there's kind of meat all in here, and you can kind of take your knife. Once you got a bit of a handle, there you go. So that's how you can get the wings. Super easy. It's a little extra step. If you have smaller fish, truthfully I don't really bother with it. I go fishing a lot, so I'm not trying to get that, but this is a very tasty piece of meat. If you wanted to go a step further, you could skin it off, but typically what I do is you just batter and fry it up just like you would. Kind of grab it, and then you will take a bite here and you can kind of peel it off, but it is a little bit of an extra snack. Then you got the cheeks here. So right here, this is plate, right here is meat. So also another one for if you have a bigger fish, you kind of get a lot more bang for your buck. But essentially you're just going to be taking a knife down and kind of angling it towards the bone best you can, kind of peel it up here. I don't know if you can see that, but peeling it up and trying to cut away as much meat as you can. I'm just going to go nice and slow for this part. It's not a race, especially when you're getting out some fine piece of meat just like this. And then what I typically do is, once I get to this point, the skin kind of just starts to peel right off, and you can either pull it out, or in this case I'm just going to give it a nice cut. There you go. That's a very nice tasty chunk of meat. Repeat on the other side. So same idea, just kind of following along the edge of the pocket there, working my way in. There we go. Missed a little bit there. Slowly just kind of working the knife a little bit. Got the skin now separated, and I can just go with the slice to finish her off. Whoops. There we go. That's how you do it.